What's you guys, I am Kimar and welcome back to the Rocket Show. So one of the biggest problems we have here in Jamaica, other than these politicians using Petrojam and the Caribbean Maritime University along with other government organizations as their own personal ATM machine, we struggle with providing good quality customer service.
In Jamaica, as those of us who live here know, the customer service level is just very low in Jamaica.
The service just not ready. It's not ready.
Nobody seems to be exempted from this. Not even our sweet, dear heart, Lisa Hannah.
So I just got home having experienced perhaps the worst customer service I've ever had in my own country.
And as of late, it seemed to be getting even worse. And even the British High Commissioner, Asif Ahmad, says that there is an issue with employees getting to embrace the service industry along with its ethics. And he even went on to say that visitors to the country are now complaining.
By providing a service, you are not lowering yourself. You are selling your expertise and your knowledge and everything else that goes with it. And there is a huge amount of work that needs to be done. But I think it comes with empowerment, and it also comes with a role that leaders actually have.
And he is so right. We have this tendency to confuse service with servitude. Oh, me not serve that girl there, that boy there, because them know more than me and also than cow fat. And even though before some of these crosses people go and the people them nice, clean organization to work, there is usually a company policy which would suggest that yes, this is what is required. Customer service is a paramount part of our business, but this is what usually happens.
But there's a tendency where if you know the boss, if you know somebody in the system, etc., those rules are waived. Sometimes it's waived right in front of the individual who otherwise has been practicing defending those things. And that, I think, in a way is the opposite of empowerment. It's what I call disembowelment.
And of course, more Jamaicans are realizing, and quite frankly, me fed up.
Whoever working in the business place, them, it's like they come to work, but they don't want to work. It's like, I sometimes have to tell them, say, if you don't want to work, stay at your yard. You know what I mean? Because it's really bad, man. It's really bad. It needs shape up. It really needs shape up.
Customer service in Jamaica is the worst thing in Jamaica, I'm telling you. Because I have been to places, it's like I'm not a born Jamaican.
I would say customer service overall is good. It might not be 100%, but it's certainly it's better.
If we equate ourselves internationally when you travel and the kind of service that people give to you, Jamaica is far lacking in customer service. In general, I will say though that some of the hotels that you go to in Jamaica, on the North Coast especially, do have a high level of customer service.
They should go to some training and be certified.
Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment on what your thoughts are about this topic, and of course, share it with a friend. Until next time, live free, prosper, and most importantly,